Good morning, how are you, my learners? It's Murad Sultan is ready again with you. Okay, so at least now you can find it out or find the perimeter and area of polygons and especially for compound shapes. Okay, either the area or the perimeter, and let's say you can investigate by drawing triangles or to see the number how many ways can you split these compound shapes. Okay, now we try to move in see new lecture that deals with, let's say, area of regular shapes. Okay, so we told that students use their knowledge of counting squares to estimate the area of shapes that are not rectilinear. They use their knowledge of fractions to estimate how much of a square is covered and combine different part covered squares to give an overall approximate area. Student needs to physically annotate to avoid repetition when counting the squares. Okay, how many whole squares can you see? For example, here my learners, we have we divide this into 9 squares. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 9. Okay, how many whole squares can you see, my learners? For example, one student can count like that: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, another student can let's say another student can count like that. Okay, for example, this consists of 14 squares. Okay, he will count like that. Look, one square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, and so on. For example, he told that it's 13, no false. Okay, this is 12, okay, 13, 14, 15, 16. Or, okay, so means that how many whole squares can you see in this pattern? You should count them. How many parts squares can you see? Then, can you find any part square that you could be put together to make a full square? Then what will we do with the parts? What does approximate mean? Means what approximate, my learners? Means that it's close to the answer. For example, 3.5 multiplied by 2 is 7. And if you like to estimate this, you will tell that 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 8 is near to the exact value. 3.5 by 2 is the exact value, okay? Or the correct answer. But this one by estimation, okay? Then, or you can also do like that. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So the correct answer should be lies between 6 and 8. Mean the area should be is greater than 6 and less than 8. Means that the area as a real or exact value will be 7. Okay. Estimate the area of the pond. Ron's answers is 4 whole squares and 11 parts. Okay, 11 parts. Let's do it. Okay, I think that it's not clear. Okay, no problem. So, Ron's answers is 4 whole squares and 11 parts. Let's first count the squares. This is square number 1. Square number 1. You see? Square number 2. Square number 3. And and square number 4. Okay, these are seems like to be a whole square that everyone can see. Okay, Ron's answer is 4 square and 11 parts. Look, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct. Okay? Then, what can we do with the parts to find an approximate answer? Means that if all of the squares are 1 centimeter in length, which shape has the greatest area? So let's do this one for example. This one, my learners, you can see that this one, this square, okay, is less than a half square. So negligate it. Don't put it into consideration. For example, this one, my learners, is this one is more than a half a square, but less than 1 square. I will consider. Then this one also is like that. It's less than 1 square. I will consider because it's more than half. This one, ignore this one. This one, ignore it. This one, I will accept it. This one, okay, I will accept it. This one is more than half, my learners. More than half. I will accept it. So how many squares in fact? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this has an area of 8 centimeters squared approximately. Approximately, it's about 8 centimeters squared. Okay? The next question, if all of the squares are 1 centimeter in length, which shape has the greatest area? Okay? This is the first shape, the gray. This is the green, and this is the orange or red. Is the red shape, okay? Is the red shape the greatest because it fills more squares? You can see that here. For example, look at this square. Okay, we will use another. This is square. We thought that we can consider 1 whole square if it is more than half. So this one, it will fit 1 square. We will accept it. Okay, approximately we consider as 1 whole square. Okay, the next one, my learners, for the second square, look, like that. This is the second square. But the red one is like that, my learners. So it fits more than a half. I will consider it. Look, this one also. You see the third square. But the one that I will put in consideration is the red one. Is more than half. So I will consider it. This is also, my learners, the fourth. The fourth square will be like that. You see the red one, the part that is colored red, is more than half. I will consider it. Okay, and so on. So by counting these squares, okay, you can approximately at least distinguish between those shapes that have the greatest area. Okay, so got that. In the red shape, the greatest because it fills more squares. Okay, what is the same about each image? What is the difference about this one? If we can say that. This one, okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one can, let's say, fill more squares, but this one is the shortest shape, let's say the least shape that can fill more squares. Okay, so this is number 1, my learners, in area terms. This is number 2, and this is number 3. Number 3 means smallest. This is largest, then comes this, then that. Okay, each square is about what? Okay, what is the same about each image? Okay, different about the images. So here we thought that I will count them. Okay, no problem. So this is 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 squares. 11, so this one is, okay, let's set this, y square. So this one modernus like that, approximately is half, I will consider also, so this is 12 centimeters squared. Then the next one, this is modernus is, okay, is 1, okay, 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 4, this is I will consider 5, this is now, this is 6, this is 7, okay, this is 8, this is 9, okay, this is 10, this is 11, so this is 11 centimeters square, approximately modernus. And this one, we have, okay, we have 1, okay, we told that. See also like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So okay, x square is approximately is about 11 to 12 centimeters square, approximately. Okay. Then look at this shape. Here we try to find the area of this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is less than half. I will never accept it. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24. This is more than half. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, sorry, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44, 40, 41, 42, 45, 46, 47, 48. This is modern, approximately 48 centimeters square. Okay? Now, okay, shapes with the same area. Okay? A student will find and draw rectilinear shapes that have the same area. Okay? Children also, our students use their knowledge of factors to draw rectangles with different area. Okay? Meaning that, for example, if I'm again telling you, try to draw 3 rectangles with the same area of, for example, draw 3 different rectangles that have the same area of, for example, 6. Okay? 6 centimeter or meter square. We will think of the factors of 6. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay? And for example, okay, I will tell you, try to at least draw two different rectangles that have the same area but different lengths. So this is, for example, making that length, width. This is 2, this is 3. Then the next is 1, 6. All of them have the same area, which is 6 centimeters squared. Okay, clear all. What do we need to know in order to work out the area of a shape? We should make connection between the side lengths and factors, my dears. Why is it useful to know your times tables when calculating area? Okay? Okay, can you have a square with an area of 48 and why? That's the question. Can you, let's say, have a square of an area with an area of 48? No, because 48 is not a square number. Okay? That's why we cannot draw a square with an area of 48. A rectangle it can be. Okay? For example, here, solve the shapes into the current diagram. Here, quadrilateral, not a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means that is a polygon that has more than 3 and specifically 4 sides. Quadrilateral means parallelogram, square, rhombus, kite, trapezium. Okay, all of these polygons are called quadrilateral. So area of 16 of 12 centimeter. How can do? 12 centimeter, for example. 12 centimeter. I will label, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, I will label, this is A, this is B, this is C, D, and E. Let's count the area first. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 14 what? Centimeters squared. The next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. This is 12. 12 centimeters squared. This one 3 multiplied by 4. This is 12 also centimeters squared. This one, so 4 multiplied by 4. This is 16 centimeters squared. The area 4 multiplied by 4. This is compound shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12 centimeters. Okay. Now, area of 12 centimeter. What is it? This one means C, quadrilateral, is a rectangle. And this one also, B. Okay? How can find a 2D shape, a polygon that is not a quadrilateral? For example, this one is not quadrilateral. It's a compound shape. This one is not a quadrilateral. It's a compound shape. But both, let's say, compound shapes have an area of 12? No. They have an area of 14, an area of 12. Yes, this one. I will make it have an area of 12. Good work. Then, area of 16 modems. We have, okay, this is 12, 14, are you sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So, this one only 16, isn't it? And is a quadrilateral. Yes, it's D. Not a quadrilateral and has an area of 16. No. Okay. Using a integer, okay. Using a integer, side length. Let's draw so many rectangles as possible as the given. Okay. Here it's very easy, 17, 25, 32. 17, 25. 17, 25, and 32. Here we have an area of 3 different shapes. This is 17 centimeters squared, 25 centimeters squared, and 32 centimeters squared. 17 models. I will make this is 1, and this is 17. Of course, centimeters. Okay? This is how to find area 1 multiplied by 17. Okay, this is that. Only one polygon, one quadrilateral, one rectangle. And this one, mother, 25. Look, 25 is a square number. This is 5, this is 5. 5 by 5 is 25 centimeters squared. So, as the area is as a centimeter squared, we should draw or construct a square that longest 5 centimeters. Okay? Only. So this one, only one solution. And 32, my learners. Okay, 32 factors of 32 are what? Factors of 32, my learners, is 1, 32, isn't it? Okay. Then 2, yes, double 1 is, okay, I will explain it here, no problem, don't worry. Factors of 32, look, my learners, first of all, 1 multiplied by 32 is what? It's 32, huh? So, the first factor is what? Is 1 and 32. Now, double 1 is 2 is what? 2. A half is 16 equal 32. Then double 2 is 4. 4. A half 16 is 8 equal 32. Okay. Double 4 is 8. Okay. Double 4 is 8. Okay. Then my learners, double 4 is 8. Half 8 is 4, 32. Okay. Double 4 is 16. Multiplied by 2 gives 32. Then double this 32 multiplied by 1 gives 32. So my learners, here at least we found what? The factors. What? 32. 32. Then the other pair of factors of the number 32, then 2 and 16, then 4 and 8, then what else? Only this, my learners. Okay, we have 6 factors. I will use this as width and this is length. This is width and this is length. This is width and this is length. Then I can construct at least 3 rectangles. Look. This is 1 and this is 32. Okay. The next one, we have 2 and this is 16. This is false. The last one not considered. Okay, the last one, 2, 4, this is 4, my learners, and this is 8. For example. This is 8, this is 4. Okay. The next. Okay, Rose and Dexter are drawing shapes with an area of 30 centimeters squared. This is 60 centimeters, this is 0.5 centimeter. This is 4, this is 5, this is 10. 10 minus 5 gives 5, this is 5. Okay, 4 minus 2, this is 2. Okay, so who is correct? Explain next. Okay. Rose, this is Dexter shape, this one. The area of this is what? Is 60. 60 multiplied by 0.5 gives really 30. The unit is centimeters squared. This one is correct, this one. The next one, let's see the area of this. Okay, I will consider my learners that is a full, let's say, a rectangle. I will multiply 10 by 4, then I will subtract what? I will subtract 5 by 2. I will subtract this. This one is cancelled. Means that I will consider a full or a whole rectangle, then I will, let's say, subtract the smallest that is on the corner on the first quadrant. So 10 by 4, 10 by 4 minus 5 by 2. 10 by 4 is 40, minus 10 is 30 centimeters squared. Okay? So, this is the answer of this rose shape, and this is also. So, we can see that children are given the same rectangular shape to draw. Amir, okay? Sorry. So, we told that 2 times 10 equal 20. 5 times 2, 10. 20 plus 10, 30. Could be split different, yes. So this compound shape can be, let's say, split different. Both of them are correct. Both are correct. Now move to the next one. We have another exercise. 3 children are given the same rectangular shape to draw. Okay. Of course, here student or children can use squared paper to explore possible answers. Amir said that the smallest length is 2 centimeters. Alex said the area is less than 30 centimeters. Annie said the perimeter is 22. What could the shape be? How many possible answers or how many possibility can you find? Okay. Here, mothers, we have, at least we drew 2 possible looks. The first one, we told that the smallest is 2 centimeters. The area is 30. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we just count, we can live.
So 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 2.
Okay. This is model, this is 7. This is 7. 7 squares. This is 2. This is also 2. Okay. Then
We have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
and this is model, this is 4. This is 4 squares and this is 4 squares. Okay. This is, I thought, 4 squares. Okay. The next one,
We have 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
and this one is 2, and this is 9. Okay. So, look, let's work the area of the first one. We thought that has an area. Okay, Amir said the smallest length is 2. This is 2. The smallest length is 2 centimeters. Alex, the area is less than 30 and the perimeter is 22 centimeters. Look, 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay. Then this is 2. 18 plus 2 is 20 plus 2 is 22. Okay, we found this. Now, from this rectangle, from this shape, I will try to construct my compound shape. Okay? So, look here. Okay, and what about the area? 9 multiplied by 2 is 18 centimeters. 18 centimeters squared is less than 30. Okay. Move to the next one. We have what? This is, I will consider a whole rectangle. Okay, I will consider a whole rectangle. Then I will cut this one, my brothers. This one I will cut it. Okay? I will never consider it. Means this is 4. 4 plus 1 gives 7. This is 3. Okay? This is 4. 4 plus 2 gives 4. This is 4. This is 2 plus 2 gives 4. Correct. So the area of this is what? Okay, the area of this is 7 multiplied by 4. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Okay. Minus 3 by 2 is 6. Okay, it will be 22. So the area here is equal to the perimeter. Okay. Sometimes 15 centimeter could be 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay. And then next. Hey, look at these shapes. Okay. But before that, thank you for listening. Okay. I wish that you got the point. How can you find the area of some compound shapes? Okay, of regular shapes. I mean. Okay. So today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, my learners.